Welcome to this video presentation here at Wimbledon Carriage Company, and here we have the Volkswagen Passat on a 21 plate. I'm going to start off by showing you around the outside of the car, and then we'll hop in and run through some of the controls on the inside of it. If you're on the outside, you can see it's a 5-door car with alloy wheels. I'm going to start off inside the boot area of it first of all. As we approach the back of the car, you can see we have reversing sensors. Plenty of boot space, as you may well expect, but we've also got those 3 rear seats that can fold down to increase this space even further again. Okay, so we're just going to work our way back around to the front of the car, and then as I mentioned, we'll hop in and run through some controls. Now that we've done a full circle of it though, firstly you can see the alloy wheels are all in pristine condition, as is the bodywork the whole way round the vehicle. Just briefly before we climb in, I think it's well worth seeing the interior from this exterior point of view. There's plenty to run through on the dashboard, so let's hop in and we'll do that now. Okay, now that we're inside the car, we're going to start with the dials. Over on the left-hand side, we have the rev counter and coolant temperature gauge. On the right-hand side, the speedometer and fuel gauge. In the centre, you can see the total miles for this car. They are 26,677. We have a digital readout for the speedometer in that section, as you can see. You can change that information for various bits of driving data, fuel economy information. We're on the driving data menu at the moment, so there are other menus available to you, and you can see me cycling through those now. Eventually back around to the driving data menu that we started on. If we back out to the steering wheel, the buttons I was using are just over here on the right hand side, along with voice activation for your phone. On the left hand side, we then have cruise control. Once you set cruise control, hit this button. This car is able to maintain its distance between itself and the car in front, both speeding up and slowing down automatically based on the car in front speed. We've also got stereo controls here and here. And behind the steering wheel, the minus and plus pedal, so that you can change up and down manually with this automatic gearbox. Over into the centre next, we have the main touchscreen. So we are on the radio menu at the moment. You can see this car's got FM, DAB radio, internet radio. If you want to listen to your own music, you can do that with your own playlists that you can save. We've got Bluetooth audio, so you can stream your music wirelessly, and various streaming services as well. And those options are the same whether you go in through the radio menu or the media menu. To pay your phone, very easy. Just follow the instructions on screen from there. You can access your satellite navigation from the top right hand section just here. As you can see, we have various car settings here. You can connect your phone for Apple CarPlay and Android Auto as well, and then we have our main menu on the screen, as you can see. Below that, and if I move the gear lever out of the way just for a moment, you can see the air conditioning. So you can adjust the temperature, fan speed and direction of the air. The air conditioning is on at the minute, so that's off. Back on again. You can recirculate the air in the car. That's a great way of heating it up or cooling it down quickly, depending on the temperature you set over here, of course. We have a heated driver and passenger seat. Both have 3 separate heat settings on each. We have some storage just there. The gear lever for the fully automatic gearbox. You can turn your parking sensors on and off. When they are on, you have a visual guide to the sensors. We have a USB-C input. We can turn your stop and start off. This car is designed to cut out when it's stationary in traffic, which in turn will save you fuel. The system is off when that light shows, and you can change the driving setup of the car. So you are able to put the car into eco, normal, sport or individual. And under individual, you can customize the settings shown on screen now. All that leaves me to say is thank you for taking the time to watch this video. If you'd like to come and see the car for yourself and have a test drive, or you'd like a live bespoke video tour of the car, please feel free to give us a call here at Wimbledon Carriage Company. We'd love to hear from you soon.